Ciao Tesla people, I just got a notification that there is a software update. It's the 2024.45.32.1. It most likely is just bug fixes. So I'm doing the download via my mobile phone with the access point. I'm sharing my 5G network, data network. I'll finish to do the download, and then I'll start the installation and do a time lapse of the installation, and then we'll see if there are any visible changes. As usual, when there are bug fixes and improvements, sometimes you don't see it right away, the changes, but in the days afterwards, people figure out what are the changes, and then I'll do another video to make sure that the changes are solid, visible, and we'll talk about it. Okay, so in the meantime, I'll do the download, and then I'll start the installation, and I'm coming back when the installation starts. So the download is done, so let's start the installation. Let me put it here. So we'll do this and install now, yes, and then you tap like that and installation starts. Okay, so I'll do the time lapse, and it's going to be 3-4 seconds for you, and maybe 20 minutes for me. So I'll see you in a bit. So I'm done with the installation, and the release notes doesn't say much. So let's check it out if there are any changes here. And there are no blue dots. Let's see in the applications here, no blue dots. Okay, so blue dots near an icon or one of these menu items means that there are changes. So let's go back to the let's go back to the software, and the car has so 2024.45.32.1 installed. The navigation date is EU 2024.32, and the version of the software is version 12 for FSD. Okay, so these are all the things that I wanted to check to see if there are any other changes. It doesn't look like service. Yeah, looks like maintenance. Let's see, tire rotation overdue. Okay, whatever. Yep. Okay, so those are all the things that I wanted to check. So for now, it seems like there is a bug fixes, improvements. We don't know which ones. So in the coming days, I will check if there are any other undocumented changes. Usually they come out 1 or 2 days after the release of the software update. So I'll keep an eye on usually X or YouTube to see it. In the meantime, please subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, share it, and also please use my Tesla referral if you're buying Tesla. They just announced the new Model Y, so if you buy a new Model Y, use my referral. You can get up to, I think, $1,500 and €500 here in Europe. So see you next video. Ciao Tesla people.